YouTubers. Today I'm really excited. I took my tax return this year and bought me something really nice. Now all my regular viewers know I do freeze-dried food. But John and Bibbs, I kind of got a reputation for doing snacks because I've got a little bit of a sweet tooth. So I saw this, it came up on Facebook actually in my news feed. This thing called the Snack Coater, designed by Aieve, and it is for coating snacks. And you guys have seen me do some dipped snacks, but I thought it'd be fun to have a snack coater. Now, I've had KitchenAid for years and years and years that I got from Goodwill, and doing the research on it, that KitchenAid mixer I got is about as old as I am, in the 60s. It was made late 60s, maybe early 70s, and but it is not a tilt mixer. So this snack coater requires a tilt mixer, and it's actually designed for the Artisan 5-quart, and there's another one that it'll fit. The 5-quart Artisan or the 4.5-quart tilt head. I can't remember, I think it's a Pro or something like that, but anyway. Make sure if you're going to buy one of these that you got the right mixer. So I had to buy me a beautiful another KitchenAid. So I got red to match my freeze dryer. And yeah, it's a 5-quart mixer. So anyway, we are going to unbox this today and just give you my initial thoughts on this. It'll be a short video. And for my freeze drying people, rest assured that we are going to be using this on freeze dried stuff. But to start off with, I'm going to make a few videos while I get to learn how to use it on some nuts, maybe some raisins, coating those till I kind of get the real hang of how it works. But today we're just going to do an unboxing. Alright, so let's open her up and see what we got inside. My little manual. Oh, it opens like this. Okay. Your bowl. Stainless steel. Your connector. A little spatula. And some seals. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seals for this. It says to lubricate or replace seals at least every 3 months. So that's kind of handy. I'll probably just take some Vaseline and wrap around those. Nothing else in there? No, there's something else in there. Oh yeah. Your little tilt thing. Tilt stand. Alright, let's get this out of the way and I'll be right back. Alright, looking at this, it looks like it's already got some petroleum jelly on there, so we're good to go. Look at the user guide here. Got all those parts, they were here. Alright. Okay, so now is a good time to put in some, cut in some of the specifications for this. It is, according to the box, it's made from 304 stainless steel, and it holds 160 ounces is what the pan capacity is. And this is, it's a really solid pan. So it says 5 quarts on the book. Maximum capacity is 32 ounces is what that will hold of candy, I guess. 32 ounces, what, 2 pounds at a time. The book is very basic here. I mean, it's got pretty color pictures, tells you how to install the attachments, tells you, it gives you a brief guide on coding with some suggestions and how to disassemble it and how to clean it. So there you go. It also has a recipe for tempered chocolate, 3 cups of whole almonds. And that's probably the one I'm going to be doing in my first video. So let's get rid of my bowl for one. Alright, so here's how easy it is to do. You undo your KitchenAid attachment cover. You stick this in there, and it's got a pin that fits right in that notch. Like that. That's pretty easy. Fit perfectly. Alright, that's pretty easy. So now we got it. Let me pull my camera back a little bit so you can see that better. Okay. So all you're supposed to do is just lift that up. Put this little block inside there. It should just sit right in there like that. And lower it on there. That gives you a nice little angle for your bowl. And I'm going to adjust my camera again. I'll be right back. So there you have it. Turn it on. Turn on your mixer. Seems well balanced. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get to work at making something on that. Okay, yeah. It's got a little thing here that says to release that. One, turn it this way and it's locked on there. And if you want to take it off, you turn it this way and it's unlocked. Like that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that was easy enough. And what they have is they have a little bar pin that goes right in that slot. So, this is a nice, solid pan. Not a cheap, flimsy pan. And then we go, which way for locked? This way. There you go. So that's locked. Yeah. Alright. So, I don't know what else to say about that. I've got me a bag of almonds. And I got me some chocolate. So the next video, I think you'll see, we are going to coat some chocolate, make some chocolate coated almonds. So, I hope you guys are going to be interested in this little series I'm going to do. And what a quality feeling machine, and it just spins so smoothly. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. I can't wait. So, I'll see you next video, and we'll put this piece of equipment to work. The snack coater, compatible with the KitchenAid 5-quart and 4.5-quart tilt head stand mixer, made by Aieve, and I bought that on Amazon. And I'll put a link to it in the description box below. That'll be an affiliate link, and if you use that affiliate link, it really helps out my channel, which is a small channel but growing, and it's much appreciated. Doesn't cost you a penny, but it sure helps me out a lot. So, I'll see you when we make some almonds.